In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Barclays Bank credit card online. We all know how handy it can be to have a credit card to manage our expenses, earn rewards, or even build a credit history. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently navigate the application process online. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Barclays website. Whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer, open a browser and type in the web address barclays.co.uk/credit cards. It's crucial to manually enter this URL rather than clicking on random links to ensure you're in the right place. A quick tip to verify you're on the legitimate Barclays site is to look for the padlock icon and HTTPS slash in the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to choose the credit card that best suits your needs. Barclays offers a variety of options, so take some time to explore what's available. You'll find the Barclays Card Rewards card, providing cashback and travel perks, the Barclays Card Forward card, ideal if you're looking to build or improve your credit, a balance transfer card to help you manage existing balances, and a purchase card that offers benefits for everyday spending. When you find the card that meets your requirements, click on Apply Now underneath its description. While not mandatory, checking your eligibility before applying can be a smart move. This step allows you to see if you qualify without impacting your credit score. It involves entering basic information like your name, address, date of birth, and details about your income and expenses. This step gives you a sense of how likely you are to be approved. If everything looks good, it's time to fill in the application form. Click on Apply Now again to access the form, where you'll need to enter your full name, contact details, employment, and income information. Be prepared to provide your current address, and if you've been there for less than 3 years, your previous address too. Don't forget any existing financial commitments like loans or credit cards. Accuracy is key here, so double check all your entries before submitting. Now that you've completed the form, review all the information to ensure everything's correct. If it all looks good, hit submit to send your application to Barclays. The bank will now review your application and check your credit file. Usually you'll receive an instant decision. However, sometimes the process can take a few days. If your application is approved, Barclays will send you a confirmation email, and you can expect your new Barclays card to arrive in the post within 5 to 7 working days. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well prepared to apply for your Barclays Bank credit card online, quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!